This week is the Ampersand International Arts Festival, hosted by William & Mary in tandem with Culinary Williamsburg, and it is just a lot of filmmakers coming back, a lot of artists. There's book talks, there's workshops, there's film showings, Q&As. It's all super great. It's very fun as a film student to get to experience all of that this week.
We're focusing on alum and students and bringing in cool other people and sharing movies that are playing at top festivals around the world, and has a lot of great speakers and programs and other things for student, alumni, and just residences of Williamsburg.
The thing I'm most looking forward to for being here for Ampersand is connecting with other William & Mary students and William & Mary alum. I feel like events like these are fantastic because you're bringing back, in many cases, alumni, so they can connect with students here and kind of give them a sense of like, okay, this is what you can do with the training that William & Mary has given you.
Yesterday, I went to how to edit trailers and promos, which was great. There is how to pursue your passion when it's not paying you, which is I'm excited about that one. What do directors really do? There's so many. After a workshop or after a Q&A, go up and introduce yourself, and everyone is so nice. That's been my experience. Everyone is so wonderful and just wants to talk with you.
I know for me, I'm so excited to share whatever knowledge I have. So events like this connect me with people who might be interested to hear what I know and what I'm happy to share.
If you can see it, you can be it is a huge thing. Having people come back and give their time, it's a great opportunity. And everybody, when you come to a film festival, any film festival, but especially this one, we're here to kind of give back and provide that little bit of a roadmap for industry and a career choice that has a lot of twists and turns.
I wish we'd had Ampersand when I was here, because I think it would have really helped me, given me a lot of insight about what's possible.
I would really love to come back for this festival. I definitely see myself coming back just to attend, to be here. A lot of the alum come back and talk about how this is like such a special place and like a second home to them. I like that kind of intimate space to talk with them about what they do and to learn how they started here and then got to wherever they are at this point in their lives. Because it feels like, if they can do it, we can do it too.